As cloud services are becoming a staple part of our daily computing environment, it is important to understand the different security-related principles and aspects of cloud computing. Mobile systems, applications and data to the cloud present a new set of security challenges. As cloud services are becoming more attractive to organizations, IT professionals need to understand different threats and vulnerabilities. End-to-end security and cloud service considerations should take into account all elements from end user's device to cloud service provider. Holistic security governance should include practices and process to prevent, detect and react to different threats and attacks targeted to different elements in the chain. The end-to-end chain consists of the following elements: from your device, to your local network, to network provider's router, to the internet, to the cloud, and to the cloud provider. Securing your cloud means securing all the elements between the start and the end. Let's take a look at each element. Your device can be easily hacked with USB. Imagine finding a USB stick at a conference with the logo of the company on it. The first thing you will do is probably check what's on that USB stick. The moment you plug it, the automatic execute script will be running in the background without being noticed. It can monitor what you are doing and send the critical data to the hacker, or it can spread virus by running the script and turn the victim's computer into a zombie machine that attack other computers. Plugging in the USB stick could be one of the easiest way to infiltrate the victim's device. Together with the convenience that Wi-Fi connection provides, there comes a number of attacks you expose yourself to. By connecting not to legitimate Wi-Fi provider, you might become a victim of a rogue access point attack and your data can be easily captured without you being aware of that. Other examples of attacks through Wi-Fi connection are evil twin attack and sniffling. Your router. In most of the cases, users don't know how to configure the router. They could just plug the router into the network after they buy it. This can cause some security issues, because some of the devices may have a default administration account and passcode for the first user login. But this can be taken by hackers so that they can check and modify the settings in the router. In this case, the hacker would be able to monitor and even take control of all the machines that are connected to the router. The public communication is probably the hardest part for individuals to hack, but it's easier for telecoms and national security agencies. The cloud part is harder to hack. It's about breaching the provider security somewhere, like stealing the passwords, finding backdoors. This is happening on the server side, but the hacker needs to have a backdoor to the server side and have access to the critical infrastructures of the cloud. Normally it is unlikely to have user hacking through the server side. They can be all protected by firewalls and security protocols. Service providers can be always putting much money protecting their customers' data safety. In general, cloud and internet are the most secure parts. In many ways local devices and network are the most vulnerable, critical areas. So when talking about cloud security is securing this whole chain from end to end. Not only the cloud element and considering this through technical, social and behavioral attacks,